Hey there, welcome. Today we're going to build something fun, simple, and kind of addictive, a cookie clicker game in Python. If you're just starting out with programming or you want to build a quick project with actual visuals, this one is for you. We'll be using Python's built-in graphics library Tkinter along with Pillow to handle images. Let's jump in. First things first, we import our libraries. So here's what this does. Tkinter is the core GUI toolkit. It lets us create windows, buttons, labels, all the good stuff. We import photo image for basic image handling, and PIL, specifically image and image TK, helps us load transparent PNG images, which we'll use for our cookie. We are creating our game window here. tk.tk initializes the main window. We set the title at the top of the window, define its size, and lock it from being resized. That way, the layout stays clean and doesn't get stretched around. You are going to want to set the window size depending on how big your background image is. For simplicity, I made my background image 600 by 400, so that is what I set my window size to be. We load our background first using photo image. That's fine for flat PNGs. Then for our cookie, we use Pillow. Image.open, which loads the image. .convert RGBA ensures it handles transparency properly, and image tk.photoimage converts it into a format that Tkinter can display. This adds the background image and stretches it to fill the window. Then we use .lower to push it to the back layer, so our buttons and labels stay visible on top. This label will show our cookie count. We start at 0, give it a nice font size, and add some vertical padding to keep it spaced nicely. This is the heart of the game, the clicker. Every time you click the cookie, we add 1 to the total and update the label to show the new value. Here we create the cookie button. We use our image as the visual for the button. The command is what runs when it's clicked, in this case our click cookie function. We remove the border and highlight so it just looks like a clean image. And the image line keeps the image in memory so it doesn't disappear. Now we have a working window that displays our images and responds to our clicking. However, as you can see, the cookie that I am using is not transparent. This is a problem you might encounter when displaying your image, and that is because Tkinter has trouble reading the alpha value that gives your image transparency. As a little challenge, I want you guys to investigate the fix for this issue and get your image to become transparent. But right now our game is just a basic clicker. Why don't we add a way for us to gain cookies automatically? Now we will add an upgrade feature. So what this does is, every time we click the upgrade button, it checks if we have enough cookies. If we do, it subtracts the cost, adds 1 auto clicker, increases the cost for the next upgrade, and updates the text on the screen. It's a simple little economy system, and it keeps the game feeling like it's progressing. This button lets us trigger that upgrade. We give it a starting label, and when it's clicked, it runs upgrade click. And finally, the passive income. This function runs once per second. It adds cookies equal to the number of auto clickers we own, then schedules itself to run again in 1 second using root after. It's like a little game loop, ticking quietly in the background. And that's it. That's your very own cookie clicker game, built completely from scratch using Python and Tkinter. You've got clicking, you've got upgrades, and you've got cookies rolling in even while you chill. From here, you could add sounds, a save feature, or even visual feedback when the cookie is clicked. Totally up to you. If you'd like to see me make a more in-depth guide on making a cookie clicker game just like the original, then be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments. Thanks for hanging out. If you learned something or had fun, give this video a like and subscribe. I've got many more cool little projects you can make using Python. I'll see you guys in the next one.